Hello everybody. We are here at the Tropicana in Atlantic City, and I am going to give you a tour of the room my friends got at the South Tower in the Tropicana Atlantic City, room 675. Let's take a look. First, as you walk in, you have your lights on and off. Then you have a closet that you open up with a safe. As you can see, just a normal closet. Okay, next, we'll take you in the bathroom. Pretty small bathroom, but it's pretty nice. Got a shower with a sliding door. You got your soap on the floor with the towel. It has a handlebar, that's nice, in case you can't stand well. Hair dryer, hairbrush, I think we brought that. A sink with a nice faucet, some toiletries, the backlit mirror, a painting, and of course your toilet. This room does not have a phone in the toilet, like some people like. Okay. Next we go to the mirror. It's almost a full body mirror. This is an adjoining room, so if you had booked the other room, you'd be able to go through the door to get to it. Okay. You have 2 queen beds. Very comfortable. I think they're actually more comfortable than the suite at Harrah's that we have booked as well. So it's 2 separate people, 2 separate rooms, in case you're wondering how that happened. Next you have a TV on the wall. I'm not sure what size it is, maybe 55-inch. You've got some drawers. Okay. You have a mini fridge. Let's see if it's on. Yep, this one's on. Ours we had to turn on. That's Caesar's. That'll be a separate video. You have a table, a white chair, a gray lamp. I'd love that in my room. Some big ass curtains for a small ass window. And the view is horrible. But, hey, this is what you get for not $20 tipping. And then there, over there, is the Chelsea Tower in the parking garage. Okay. And that's going to do it for our tour of room 675 at Caesar's Atlantic City. Not Caesar's, Tropicana. Stay tuned for the Caesar's one.